Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn gems in Lords Mobile. To do so, you first need to launch your Lords Mobile app on your device. And once you've done that, on the bottom right side of your screen, you'll see this icon for gems. Click on it. So here you can see various objectives in the game that will give you free gems. So for example, here's one for joining a guild. So I'll get 400 gems just to join a guild. Click on join guild and then join a guild to get the reward. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!